Are you feeling overwhelmed by the idea of starting an online business for retirement, especially if you're not techie? Well, I've got great news for you. You don't need to be a tech wizard to build a business that will secure your financial future. Now just stick around because today I'm going to show you how. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to get started with an online business, even if you're not tech savvy. And you'll have a clear path to building something that will help you retire comfortably without all the stress. Hi, I'm Dale Peak, and I've helped people just like you who may not be techie or have an online business experience take their first steps towards building a profitable online business that supports their retirement. I've been there myself, and I know how confusing it can feel at first, but trust me, it's possible. If you're interested in learning more already about how you can get started with minimal tech skills, comment "no tech worries" down below in the comments, and I'll send you a link to my free blueprint on how to launch your first online business with zero tech experience. All right. Number one, let's talk about why online businesses for retirement. See, the traditional retirement plan isn't cutting it for many people, especially if you're already behind. Starting an online business gives you an opportunity to create an income stream that you control, and it can be scaled to meet your retirement goals, whether it's selling products, consulting, digital marketing, or education. The possibilities are truly endless. Number two, no tech skills needed. Get started with simple. You don't need to know coding, web design, or complicated software to get started. There are simple user-friendly platforms like mine that are done for you. This allows you to start without needing big tech skills. Just focus on the basics like setting up your profile, listing a product, or promoting your product or service. Point three, choose the right business model for you. The right model will help you build a business that fits your skills and interests. Finding something you are passionate about makes it more likely you're going to stick with it. These require minimal skills, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or courses, and they can all be run with little technical expertise. Number four, the power of passive income. Passive income, guys, is a game changer when it comes to building wealth and securing retirement. Online businesses like digital courses, ebooks can generate income 24/7. And once you find the product, it'll sell itself. Focus on automating your sales and marketing to maximize your time. Build your first offer. Point number five. Many people hold off on starting because they don't feel like they have the skills to create something of value. Your first offer should be something simple like a platform that you are learning from and just want to resell. All right. Now, if you're feeling ready to take the leap and you want a step-by-step guide to get started, I've got something for you. Check out my free blueprint linked in the description below, where I walk you through everything from choosing your business model to launching your first product. No tech experience? Hey, no problem. The blueprint is made for complete beginners. So get the link now and let's make your retirement dreams a reality. Just a couple more points. Point number six, start small. Scale as you go. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars or spend months building a business. Start with one product or service. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to launch everything at once. Begin with a small offering, test it, and then scale as you see success. Use the tools and the resources. Point number seven, starting a business shouldn't cost a fortune. And there's plenty of free tools to get you started. Platforms like mine offer a done-for-you system. So you just learn to leverage tools and save your budget for other essentials. Point number eight, set realistic expectations. Online businesses, guys, take time to grow. It's crucial to stay patient and consistent. Don't expect instant riches. Set goals for the next 30, 60, 90 days and track your progress. Small wins add up to big results. Number nine, source what you don't need to do. Hiring experts can help you grow your business faster, but when you're ready for that, as your business grows, you might need help, and that's okay. My Done For You program allows you to get off the ground quickly and running, making the money you need to make. Number 10, don't be afraid to fail. Failure is a natural part of entrepreneurship. Don't let a setback and discouragement take you out of the game. Every failure is a lesson and a reason to adjust your business as you go along. You'll find out that it all works in the end. All right. If you're ready to get started, go into the description, grab the link to my free blueprint. Also, check out the other videos on this page where I dive deeper into how to get started and scale your online business for retirement. Let's do it together and have an amazing and wonderful day.